Welcome to SaaS News Digest. Are you having a hard time expanding your software clients base? Well, you're not alone, but you don't have to struggle. Inc. 42 uncover several ways you can improve your SaaS product growth. And the first good growth tracking technique is to try account-based marketing, or ABM for short, which involves checking out your accounts that are qualified in certain group, then making content directly for that category of clients. And speaking of which, regularly posting content has proven track record of a success. And SaaS platforms that post content daily have 30% higher growth rates than those that don't. It also helps when you use that content to build trust through software sites. But don't let this make you assume that there is not enough human aspect of it. Referrals remain one of the fastest way to grow your platform. And it does by making sure that you nurture good leads. And ideally, you will automate a lot of that nurturing goodness. Through pushing out content is important. What's even more important is to realize how vital having that human element is. After all, SaaS is still an industry that is all about how people experience your product. Our next News Bites takes a look at the public cloud and user spending in a software as a service world. If you're in tech, you already know about the cloud. It's the way that people store data together in decentralized space. If you ever access a lot of data from mutual drive, congrats, you've experienced cloud storage. Unsurprisingly, cloud storage is on the rise across the board. And since the COVID-19 crisis took the foot, the trend towards the cloud started to skyrocket. Experts suggest that public and user cloud storage expenditures that will have a year-to-year growth of 23%, which means that we should see a market rise to $332 billion by the end of this year. That is up from $270 billion in 2020. And you might be wondering what this means to software as a service. Well, the answer is very simple. It means that software platforms that make themselves accessible via cloud storage are going to have a massive advantage in the marketplace. And demand for software that can adapt to market disrupts like a pandemic is growing rapidly. It also helps that SaaS is a $122 billion industry, and following SaaS in desktop as a services as well as the infrastructure as a service. Both of those industries are going to need cloud services as well. And yes, they're both expected to see a record growth. So the bottom line for this week, cloud storage is here to stay and should expect it to remain a cornerstone of e-commerce for years to come. My name is Artem Gassan. I'm general partner at SaaS Growth Ventures, and I fuel growth and revenue and help companies reach $5 to $10 million of ARR. If you want to learn more, reach out to me through the LinkedIn. Thank you.